My name is Albie Cartagenes. I'm an art major here at Mesa College, and I'm currently enrolled in the Museum Studies and Exhibition Curating class with Professor Alessandro Montezuma. I'm 25 years old. I graduated from high school in 2012 and went into community college back in upstate New York and got a degree in architecture technology. That was back in 2014, and I realized that it wasn't something that I wanted to do, so I took some time off of school and I moved to California. And when I finally made the decision to return back to school, it was because I needed to focus on finding something that I was truly passionate about. And getting enrolled into the museum studies class opened the doors for me to see all the possibilities that I can find a career in the arts, and that really is what settled my decision to become an art major. So, museum studies program, there's 3 semesters. The first 2 semesters are classes that you take with Alessandra, and then the third semester is an internship, which is what I'm currently enrolled in. 2 different internships, one with Ship in the Woods and one with San Diego Art Institute. I enjoyed so much of the process of learning and being in the work environment because it really enlightens you into the aspects of working with individuals, working in those careers. I worked with the educational director at the San Diego Art Institute, and that really helped me learn about the prospects of giving educational tours and also working with docents. That was very amazing, and just an opportunity that opened my mind to everything that I was able to do. That was pretty interesting because it felt like a full circle coming from the class itself and then giving a tour about the exhibition that we had to the class was something that I really enjoyed, and it was kind of a surreal experience because from where they are now, they're in the first semester, and seeing eventually where they can get to was an amazing aspect of the internship. That is like the ballpark of everything that the Museum Studies program is about. Creating community and understanding the individuals that work within the arts and the artists themselves is so important to understanding how to elevate your artwork. The Museum Studies program has connections with all these different museums, and we go on field trips, and then we also meet artists, professional artists that are working in the fields currently. And that just allows you to make connections with people that you can then see yourself in and learn from them and push you further to become a professional artist or someone with the careers in the museums. Currently, I have just been accepted into UC Berkeley for art practice, and I'm really excited to continue on to my bachelor's to get there. So, and I just sold my first artwork, so I'm really excited. Oh, thank you so much.